So let's start with the second problem of drawing sheet. Now this is second problem of drawing sheet. A square pyramid of base 40 mm and axis length 60 mm is resting on one of its corner of the base with axis inclined to HP at 45 degrees. So this is the square pyramid. It is resting on one of its corner. Suppose that this is the corner on which it is resting on HP with such that with axis inclined to HP at 45 degree. So this axis is inclined at 45 degree with resting point is A on the HP. Draw the projection of the pyramid when the slant edge passing through the corner in HP makes an angle of 25 degree with VP. This slant edge is inclined with VP and this axis is inclined to HP. Let's A is the corner on which it is resting. So this is the square pyramid. So what I will do, I will keep this square pyramid on the HP now because it is inclined, axis is inclined to HP. So I will keep this first, it is resting on the HP. So I will keep this on the HP. If it is resting on HP, keep it on HP. If it is resting on the VP, keep it on VP. So I am keeping on in the HP, resting on the HP, that's why. But when I am keeping it on the HP, I will take this separate corner. So I will not keep resting side perpendicular to XY because it is not resting on the side. Instead of side, it is resting on the corner. So I will keep this position so that the corner will be separate. So I will see this square in the top view. So in the top view, I will not draw this type of square because this will be resting side square. I will draw this type of square because this is the resting corner square. So it is resting on the corner. Whenever it is resting, I will take this square. Whenever it is resting on side, then I will take resting side perpendicular. So this will be not the position, this will be position in the top view. So I will keep this in this position, and now then I will make the axis inclined with HP. So keeping this corner on the HP, axis is inclined with HP 45 degree, and then after that this slant edge passing through that corner I will make inclined with VP. So first step is this, second step is this, and then third step is this. So go with 3 stages. So I will draw XY line. Now I will take square here, separate corner square. So I will draw this square. Okay, so this is my corner A, B, C, D, and this is the axis O1. How you will draw this? You take horizontal line parallel to XY, then this horizontal line 45 degree on this side, 45 degree on this side. Draw the 2 lines, and on this 2 line take a side. What is the side? 40 mm. So this 40 mm on this side, 40 mm, and then you can construct this square. So in this way you can construct the square. Then after taking 40 mm or after taking 40 mm, then from this you can take from this point perpendicular line to this 40 mm, from this perpendicular line to this 40 mm, you can construct this square. Now you project this, and this is the axis. Listen, in my video you will see these all lines in sometimes in inclined position. You can see sometimes triangle, sloping triangle, but in your drawing you have to draw these perpendicular lines, projector lines. In my drawing sometimes this figure are not appropriate, but while you are drawing on your sketchbook or drawing sheet or on the white page, it should be exactly, this should be a square. Okay, now I will take this axis side height, this axis height is 60, and I will take this A dash, this is B dash, D dash, and this is C dash. I will join this. So this is the front view. Then what I will do, this is O dash and this will be O1 dash. So this axis I have to make inclined because axis is inclined. How many degree I have to make this axis inclined? 45 degrees. So when this I will make this axis inclined 45 degree. This corner is resting, it is always here on the XY. So this triangle will be like this, right? Now when this triangle I have to draw, so with this axis, how I can do this, how I create this figure? For that case, if this is 45 degree and this will be 90 degree, because this is perpendicular to this line. So if this is 90 degree, this is 45 degree, the remaining angle will be of 45. This means that if you take this line at 45 degree and if you construct this triangle, this axis automatically come at an angle of 45 degree. So what I will do, I will take this A dash here, take this angle as a 45 degree because it is not given, and then construct this triangle. So I will construct this triangle O dash. So I will take this distance, mark here R. I will take this distance, mark here R, and from this I will take here distance. So I will get this triangle. Now this is axis I will take, this is O1, and if it is extend, it will be at 45 degree. And now I will project this O1, and I will project this. Now get the corresponding point. So this is A with A, then this B with B, because this is B dash D dash point. So this B with B, C with C, D with D, A B C D, and this is O, and this is O1. So roughly I can have these points. I will join the real points, real part, right? A B C D base, sorry, A B C D base, then OB, OA, OD and OC. This will be 4 slant edges. But which will be dark? First of all, the boundary lines will be dark. So this will be sharp and dark, this will be sharp and dark, this will be sharp and dark, and this will be sharp and dark. The remaining part, for that case observer is here. So for the observer OC is dark. So I will make this OC line dark. What you think about AB? These are behind AB and BD. So this will be dotted and this will be dotted. What do you think OA? OA will be also dotted. OA will be also dotted, but it is overlapped by OC. Okay, so in this way I will get this figure. And after that, second condition is that it is when the slant edge passing through the corner on the HP. So this is the A. So this is the slant edge which is passing. This is the slant edge passing through corner on HP. So this slant edge is inclined at angle of 25 degree with VP. So I will take auxiliary plane inclined at beta angle. Why we have to take beta angle? Because this is slant edge, this is apparent angle. So for this case we have to find out apparent angle, and then we project this and now get the corresponding point. So C is projected, C distance is taken, mark here C, take nearer, suppose this. So C is projected, so C previous view, so C is marked, then this is D, D this much distance on the projector of D, D dash, C dash, A on its A dash, B this much distance on the projector of B dash. So I get A dash, B dash, C dash, D dash, and then O this much distance I will take, and from this O dash, O1, O1 dash, this is the axis. Now I will join A, B, C, D. Okay. So this is A, B, C, D, and then I will join these boundary lines, and the rest of the lines you can create as per the observer position. The observer positions is here. So BC will be dark. So your BC will be dark. Then your OB will be dark. So this your OB will be dark. what you think about your OD. OD will be dotted, so this will be dotted and this boundary line will be dark. So in this way you can create this figure. So you can create proper actions and create the problem. Thank you.